We're here today at Wolvercote Repair Cafe to find out what sort of items you can bring along, what can be repaired and what to expect. To find a local repair cafe to you, visit Repair Cafe Oxfordshire's website.
Our Repair Cafe in Wolvercote, residents can always bring electrical items and bikes, and then occasionally we've got other types of repairs as well, so clothing, textiles, sharpening tools, things like that. So what type of items you can bring to the cafe really depends on your local cafe, so it's best to check. But yeah, it's a really wide range of items.
So Steve, what type of electrical items have you repaired?
The smallest things tend to be little lamps like this. The biggest thing we had was a rock polisher, which had to be brought in a wheelbarrow and was like this big. The littler things like lights, it is very often lights, small kitchen appliances and the like. What tends to happen is either there's a wire come adrift, or in this case, the switch has failed, we just need to put a new switch on it. That was it. Sometimes it's simple as like people haven't noticed a fuse has gone. You know, we can obviously do that, but usually it's just some broken connection we can sort out.
Fantastic. And how long does a repair usually take?
You know, if it's a fuse, then obviously it's just a matter of in and out. If it's something a bit more complicated, like this one, the switch failed. In finding the problem, it took us about 20 minutes. Fixing it probably take us about 20.
Often people come around with a bike and they just say it's not working properly and they don't really know what's wrong with it. So it's not necessarily, you don't necessarily have to know what's wrong. If it's just not working, you're not happy with it, you can bring it around and talk to the repairers and have a conversation and see if they can repair it.
It wouldn't shift the gears, so we took the gear shifter to pieces and oiled it. And then once we'd done that, we were trying to see whether it would shift up, and then we realised there was Sam realised that it had a broken link, which we hadn't spotted. I mean, it was on the process of breaking. So you make an overall assessment. So it comes in with one problem, and then you often find there are other things.
What brought you to the Repair Cafe today?
Because my girl's bike has a flat tire, and now Sam fixed it. She's so happy.
So what did you do today to repair your tyre?
Another cat.
We bought the bike to Sam, and what we expect is just fix the tire.
Yeah.
Now, Abby learned how to fix it now.
Other cafes tend to be standalone events, but they always have, because they're cafes, they do always have tea and coffee and often cakes and things like that. So it always becomes a bit of a social occasion as well. So at all of our cafes, people can watch or sometimes they can get their hands on as well with their repairs. So they do get more of an understanding of what needs fixing, or at what point you actually do just throw something away because you can't fix it anymore. And so yeah, people do get skills, a bit more awareness. And I think another part of the Repair Cafe ethos is that community ethos as well, so you get to know your local repairers and people in the community, and you get to feel a bit more part of your local area as well. So there's a few benefits to bringing an item to the Repair Cafe.